All right, everyone, buckle up because the news cycle is absolutely exploding, and you're getting the inside scoop right here, right now. We've got a whirlwind of updates that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. From major market shifts to groundbreaking tech reveals, the pace is relentless, and we're here to break it all down for you. Get ready to be informed, get ready to be excited, because this is iPad Focus, and we're diving headfirst into the stories that are shaping tomorrow, today. First up, the financial world is buzzing as a titan of industry sees a significant forecast upgrade right before its busiest season. Experts are shifting their positions, and this could signal a massive surge. What does this mean for investors and consumers alike? Then, we're diving deep into the strategic moves of a tech giant. Innovation is key, and a recent upgrade suggests a powerful rebound driven by cutting-edge technology. Is this the comeback everyone's been waiting for? Get ready for a major product launch. With just days to go, the whispers are getting louder about a highly anticipated device. We're talking about rumored internal upgrades and features that could redefine wearable tech. What surprises await? And finally, for the fitness enthusiasts and data trackers out there, a beloved app is getting a massive overhaul on a popular platform. Get ready for real-time competition and a completely revamped experience designed to push your limits. What's new and how will it change your performance? Stay tuned, because we've got all the details. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Apple stock soars on analyst upgrades ahead of iPhone season. Experts are revising their outlooks for a major tech stock, signaling renewed confidence just as its most crucial sales period approaches. The financial markets are abuzz with activity surrounding Apple, AAPL stock, as industry analysts are issuing significant forecast upgrades. This shift in sentiment comes at a critical juncture, with the company's peak sales season, driven by new iPhone releases, just around the corner. Historically, this period has been a major catalyst for Apple's financial performance, and the current analyst consensus suggests it could be even more impactful this year. Previously, several experts had maintained a cautious stance, with ratings leaning towards sell or hold. However, the landscape is changing rapidly. MoffettNathanson, a prominent firm, recently elevated its rating for AAPL to neutral from sell, accompanied by a price target of $225. Their assessment highlights that several previously identified headwinds have diminished, and the most concerning, worst-case scenarios are now considered unlikely. This recalibration reflects a growing belief that the company's core business remains robust and resilient. This optimistic outlook is not isolated. Many other analysts are aligning with a positive trajectory for Apple. Tigris Financial, for instance, has set an ambitious price target of $300, underscoring their strong conviction in Apple's sustained growth potential. Wedbush, another key player in market analysis, has maintained a high outperform rating with a price target of $270, further solidifying the bullish sentiment. Their confidence is anchored in Apple's ability to navigate market challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. The upcoming fiscal quarter is traditionally Apple's strongest, and the anticipated launch of the iPhone 17 is expected to follow this pattern. The stock has already demonstrated considerable momentum, appreciating by 17% in the last 30 days alone. Should the current quarter deliver robust iPhone sales figures, further upward movement is highly probable. Adding to the positive sentiment, many analysts are interpreting Alphabet, GOOGL's recent legal victory against the Department of Justice as a favorable development for Apple as well. Given the symbiotic relationship and historical ties between these tech giants, this legal outcome is seen as a net positive for both entities. Prominent financial commentator Jim Cramer recently echoed this sentiment on his show, Mad Money. He argued that the DOJ investigation's resolution was a significant win for both Alphabet and Apple. Cramer specifically noted that Apple benefits substantially from its deal with Google to preload search services on its devices, a revenue stream many had feared would be jeopardized. It's also a big win for Apple, which got paid billions, perhaps more than $20 billion a year, to preload Google on their devices, Cramer stated. Most wags thought for sure Apple would lose this source of revenue, and numbers would have to be cut immediately. it could get even better. Furthermore, J.P. Morgan's stock forecast for Apple, issued in July, aligns with the potential for strong performance in the upcoming sales period. The firm has projected AAPL to reach $250 within the next 2 months, maintaining an overweight rating. Analyst Samik Chatterjee articulated their reasoning. We rate shares of Apple overweight from the combination of AI and age of installed base led volume replacement cycle, while services continues to demonstrate robust growth delivering acceleration in earnings growth. This perspective emphasizes the dual drivers of artificial intelligence integration and the natural upgrade cycle fueled by the vast existing user base, complemented by the consistent growth in Apple's services division. Currently trading around $239, AAPL is positioned near the upper end of its 52-week trading range and is trading above its 200-day simple moving average. A sustained push beyond the $250 mark could set the stage for Apple to potentially reach the $300 target by October 2025, according to some market watchers. The market is keenly watching Apple's performance as the new iPhone season kicks off, with analysts increasingly optimistic about the company's prospects. But hold on, the tech world isn't just about phones and stocks. We're also seeing major strategic shifts that could redefine a company's future. Next up, we're dissecting a significant upgrade that points to a powerful rebound fueled by AI and product innovation. Apple's strategic rebound, AI integration and product innovation drive buy upgrade. A major tech player is signaling a strong comeback, with analysts highlighting AI and innovation as key drivers for a renewed positive outlook. In a significant development for the tech industry, Apple AAPL has received a notable buy upgrade from market analysts, who point to the company's strategic integration of artificial intelligence and its ongoing commitment to product innovation as primary reasons for this optimistic shift. This upgrade suggests a renewed confidence in Apple's ability to not only maintain its market dominance, but also to pioneer future technological advancements. The company's recent performance and forward-looking strategies are being closely scrutinized, and the consensus is increasingly favorable. The core of this positive reassessment lies in Apple's aggressive push into AI. While often perceived as more focused on hardware and user experience, Apple has been quietly embedding advanced AI capabilities across its product ecosystem. This includes enhancing Siri's intelligence, developing sophisticated machine learning algorithms for its devices, and exploring new AI-driven services. Analysts believe that this deep integration of AI will unlock new functionalities, create more personalized user experiences, and potentially open up lucrative new revenue streams. The age of AI is here, and Apple appears poised to capitalize on it through its unique hardware-software synergy, which allows for efficient on-device processing of AI tasks, addressing privacy concerns, and improving performance. Beyond AI, Apple's relentless pursuit of product innovation remains a cornerstone of its strategy. The upcoming iPhone season, coupled with anticipated updates to its other flagship products like the Apple Watch and Mac lineup, are expected to drive significant sales and user engagement. The company's ecosystem, known for its seamless integration, continues to be a powerful moat, encouraging customer loyalty and repeat purchases. Furthermore, Apple Services division, encompassing the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple TV Plus, continues its robust growth trajectory, contributing substantially to the company's overall profitability and providing a stable, recurring revenue base. This diversified revenue model, combining hardware sales with high-margin services, enhances its financial resilience. Analysts are particularly impressed by Apple's ability to manage its supply chain and manufacturing complexities, especially in the current global economic climate. Despite geopolitical tensions and logistical challenges, Apple has consistently delivered on product launches and met demand, showcasing its operational prowess. The company's financial health remains exceptionally strong, with substantial cash reserves that provide flexibility for research and development, strategic acquisitions, and potential shareholder returns. This financial stability reassures investors that Apple is well-positioned to weather economic downturns and invest in long-term growth initiatives. The buy upgrade signifies a belief that Apple's stock is undervalued relative to its future growth potential, particularly considering its advancements in AI and its strong product pipeline. Investors are encouraged by the company's strategic vision, its commitment to innovation, and its proven track record of execution. The combination of cutting-edge technology, a loyal customer base, and a diversified business model presents a compelling case for Apple's continued success in the years to come. This strategic pivot towards AI and continued product excellence is seen as a catalyst for Apple's next phase of growth, justifying the positive market sentiment. It's clear that Apple is making big moves, but what about the devices we use every day? Prepare for some exciting news on the wearable front. Next, we're counting down the days to a major reveal, with juicy rumors about the next generation of a popular smart device. Apple Watch Series 11 rumors, 5G RedCap, hypertension monitoring, and more ahead of launch. With just days until Apple's next big event, leaked details reveal potential upgrades for the upcoming Apple Watch, focusing on connectivity and health features. Apple is on the cusp of unveiling its latest smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 11, at its highly anticipated, jaw-dropping event scheduled for September 9th. While design changes are reportedly minimal this year, the focus is squarely on internal enhancements that could significantly boost the device's capabilities, particularly in connectivity and health monitoring. This iteration promises to refine the user experience and integrate more advanced health insights directly onto the wrist. A key rumored upgrade for the Series 11 is the inclusion of a MediaTek modem that supports 5G RedCap. This specialized version of 5G is designed for wearables and IoT devices, offering improved speed and efficiency over current LTE connections without the power demands of full 5G for smartwatch users. This means faster data transfers, more reliable connectivity for streaming and communication, and potentially better battery life. While it won't match the speeds of standard 5G, it represents a significant leap forward for wearable technology, enabling more sophisticated on-device features and smoother app performance. Internally, the Apple Watch Series 11 is expected to feature a new S11 chip. While the processor core is anticipated to remain similar to the Series 10, the chip itself may be smaller. This reduction in size could be strategically important, freeing up valuable internal space for additional components or a larger battery, both of which could enhance the device's overall functionality and longevity. The subtle refinement in chip design underscores Apple's continuous effort to optimize hardware efficiency and user experience. Perhaps the most significant rumored addition is the potential for blood pressure monitoring. However, this feature is expected to be more of a preliminary screening tool rather than a clinical-grade measurement device. Instead of providing exact systolic and diastolic readings, the Series 11 might focus on detecting trends indicative of hypertension over time. If the watch detects consistently high blood pressure readings, it could send an alert to the user. This proactive approach to health management could be life-saving, prompting individuals to seek professional medical advice for further testing and treatment. This functionality would mirror the existing atrial fibrillation detection feature, offering users valuable health insights that can be shared with healthcare providers. Given the limited number of explicitly rumored features, there's a strong possibility that Apple has several surprise announcements planned for the event. The company is known for its ability to innovate and often introduces features that catch the market by surprise. Speculation is rife about other potential software enhancements or hardware integrations that could further differentiate the Series 11. The awe-dropping event is set to commence at 10:00 a.m. Pacific Time on Tuesday, September 9th. Following the announcement, pre-orders are expected to begin on Friday, September 12th, with the official launch anticipated for Friday, September 19th. More detailed information will be available in the comprehensive Apple Watch Series 11 guide. These potential upgrades position the Apple Watch Series 11 as a compelling evolution in wearable technology, emphasizing improved connectivity and proactive health management. While a new watch is generating buzz, there's also exciting news for those who track their fitness activities. Get ready for a major update to a popular fitness app on a key platform, bringing real-time performance tracking. Strava revamps Apple Watch app with live segments feature. Fitness tracking giant Strava has rolled out a significant update for its Apple Watch application, introducing highly anticipated live segments and a host of performance enhancements. Strava, a leading platform for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, has finally delivered a long-awaited overhaul of its Apple Watch app, complete with the introduction of its signature live segments feature. This update is a direct response to the growing number of athletes utilizing Apple Watch devices for their training and performance tracking. Strava's own data indicates a substantial year-over-year increase in Apple Watch users uploading activities, with the device consistently ranking among the top preferred devices for runners. This surge in Apple Watch adoption within the Strava community prompted the company to redesign its watch application. The goal was to create a more intuitive and streamlined experience for users at all levels of their fitness journey. The new interface is cleaner, offering easier navigation and quicker access to essential data during workouts. This user-centric approach aims to enhance the overall experience, making it more engaging and effective for athletes. The headline feature of this update is undoubtedly live segments. This functionality allows Strava users to virtually compete against their own personal best times or against the performance of other users in the Strava community on designated segments, specific stretches of road or trail. As a user approaches a starred or popular segment, the Apple Watch display will provide a clear banner indicating the segment name. A dynamic circle on the watch face will update in real time, showing whether the user is currently ahead of or behind their target pace. Crucially, haptic feedback will alert users the moment they enter a starred segment, allowing for immediate engagement and focus. Strava also highlighted that premium subscribers will benefit from additional features and enhanced capabilities within the app, though specific details were not fully elaborated in the announcement. The core Strava application remains free to download and use, with an optional subscription service unlocking a wider array of advanced features and analytics for dedicated athletes. In addition to live segments and the performance-focused redesign, the update includes several other improvements. Enhanced performance metrics, more detailed workout summaries accessible directly from the watch, and improved battery efficiency for extended use during long activities. These refinements collectively aim to provide athletes with more comprehensive data and a more seamless tracking experience. The integration of live segments directly onto the Apple Watch is a significant step, bringing a feature popular on other platforms to the wrist-based device. This allows athletes to receive real-time feedback and motivational cues during their runs or rides, potentially helping them push their limits and achieve new personal records. The focus on performance and real-time feedback aligns with Strava's mission to connect athletes and help them achieve their goals. The update signifies Strava's commitment to the Apple Watch platform and its growing user base, offering powerful new tools for performance tracking and competitive engagement. And that brings us to the end of another packed news update. We've covered major financial shifts, strategic tech plays, exciting product rumors, and crucial app updates. Don't go anywhere, we've got a quick recap and your full call to action coming right up. What a ride! We've seen Apple stock get a major boost from analysts ahead of the iPhone season. We've also explored the AI-driven strategies positioning Apple for a powerful rebound. Plus, we're buzzing with anticipation for the rumored features of the Apple Watch Series 11, and Strava is bringing real-time competition to your wrist with its updated Apple Watch app. That's all for today on iPad Focus. If you found this update valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more essential tech news, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to follow us on all our social media channels for even more insights. We'll see you in the next one.